Hello everyone, today I will show you how to show or hide silent mode icon in status bar or iPhone. When I'm enable silent mode, not showing it to my icon, so click on to enable. So at first open iPhone settings, scroll down, click on sound and haptics, and then showing it to silent mode, click on to show in status bar to enable. On disable, okay, now not showing here to silent mode icon, click on to enable, then showing it to this. So that's it, that's how you can do it.